Happy Saturday, guys. You know where we are now. We're here at Cronulla once again, and I'm doing this vlog to greet you a happy weekend to everyone. Ang ganda po ng panahon dito sa Sydney, Australia. It's a fair weather with 23 degrees or 24 degrees. Kaya it's a sunny day, but it's not really hot. Half lang po ang weather today, and we just want to catch up some sun in our body para po magkaroon tayo ng strength for the whole day or the whole week to come. Makita nyo dito, maganda ang mga view. Ayan ang dagat, ayan po ang dagat. Very nice weather, guys. See? Lakas ang alon. You see the waves, guys. Ang dami nagsuswimming. Marami rin pong nagsasunbathing today. Kaya super nice weather. And there, nakita niyo po na ang lakas ng alon. See, makita niyo po ang mga tao dito nagsasunbathing. Look at them, guys. Magandang panahon. There's a group of young ones there. And there's Josephine. My favorite trees in Australia. Lots of pine trees, guys. Ako ang pine trees. Look at this, guys. Nice one. Nice one, guys. It's very fine weather. Kahit na may araw, hindi po siya ganun kainit. Hindi rin siya ganun kalamig. Kaya maganda ang panahon. I don't know where's Josephine. Oh, where's she now? Yan po ang toilet ng Sydney, ng beach. Ito maganda ang mga toilet. Maganda ang toilet sa Australia. With free tissue inside. Tsaka may tagalinis po yan. May tagalinis talaga. Oh, sorry. Badaan lang po ako. They had, you see, guys, kapag maraming nagsiswimming dito, meron po talaga na lifeguard. Kasi ang lakas ng alon. You can see there's a hello surf rescue. You see the surf rescue, guys. Surf rescue, swim between the flags. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, hindi po kailangan na lumagpas doon sa mga flags ng nilalagay ng surfer, ng mga rescuer, kasi baka po may shark doon. Pwede kayo mag-swimming within those flags na nandoon. Kita niyo po yung flags. It was there. Yeah. Did you see the green, the yellow? I think that's the yellow sign. Yeah, yung po. Nakita nyo na bawal po talaga lumagpas doon. You cannot go beyond that sign. Ako kasi may shark nga. Kita nyo naman po eh. Kita nyo ang alon. Sobrang lakas ng alon. Super lakas ng waves today. Kahit may araw. At marami po nagsiswimming. But the thing is, there's a rescuer over there. Look after sa mga nagsiswimmer. They are the one who look after to those who swim, most especially if strong waves, malakas ang alon, talaga may nagbabantay po makita nyo ang waves, guys. It's very strong waves. Yan. Sabi nga, balod, balod. Ang lakas ng alon. Alon ba? Sa Bisaya ang balod. Okay guys, makita nyo po maraming mga laga sa sunbathing. Yan. Okay guys, oh, there's another one. Do the surfing. Did you see that one, guys? Ooh, nice. Nice, guys. Oh, ganda. Oh. See? Woohoo. Okay, guys. Have a lovely weekend to everyone. Enjoy your weekend. And please don't forget to like and have a comment in my blog if you want to. And I'm so thankful if you subscribe in my blog, JDMG Vlogs. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend, guys. And we will enjoy the weekend as well. God bless you all.